Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, let's begin with this question. This question is based upon the neutralization reaction. So firstly, this is a one of the chemical reaction in which acid reacts with the base, and this will result to produce the salt and water. So now here the given reaction is, so firstly HBr, it will react with Li2CO3. So now here we have to write down this acid base reaction. So when HBr, this is in the aqueous phase, it will react with the Li2CO3, which will also in the aqueous phase, and this will result to produce LiBr in the aqueous phase, plus release the carbon dioxide gas plus water. So now we have to balance this equation. So in order to balance the equation, the number of atoms on the reactant side, this must be is equals to the number of atoms on the product side. So now let's see here. Firstly, the atoms involved are, first one is the hydrogen, then bromine, then lithium, then carbon, and then there is a oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements are there. So let's see the number of these atoms on the reactant or the product side. So now here hydrogen, there is one hydrogen on this side, on the reactant side, and there are two hydrogen on the product side. Bromine, there is a one bromine on the reactant side, and there is a one bromine on the product side. Lithium, there are two lithium on the reactant side and one on the product side. Carbon, one carbon on the reactant side and one on the product side. Oxygen, there are three oxygen on the reactant side and there are three oxygen on the product side. So we have to balance this hydrogen and this this lithium. So here so we have to add 2 here to balance this hydrogen. Now here comes the 2Br. So here comes the 2 now. So if we see now, there are equal number of atoms on the both sides. So the balanced equation is 2 moles of HBr. This will react with the 1 mole of Li2CO3. This will gives the 2 moles of LiBr, plus it will release the it will release the 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas plus 1 mole of water molecule. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.